Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this mechanical keyboard from HP, the GK200. The keyboard came with the blue switch. It's clicky type switch. I believe it came with some cherry clone switches. You can see all the features here in the front of the packaging, and it also exhibits the keyboard itself. Here is a closer look of the switch. The operating force is 60G. It's supposed to give you a strong click tactile feel. Here's the look on this side. The keyboard also have 3 color options. This one in particular is the black one. Here's the system requirement. It supports most Windows operating system available today, but it does not mention anything about Mac OS. On this side there goes the HP logo. Now on the back we have a more detailed specification of this keyboard. There are a total of 87 keys, non-detachable USB cable with length of 1.8 meters. It's weighted around 728 grams including the cable. The keyboard bezel is made of aluminum. It goes to sleep mode after 10 minutes, anti-ghosting keys, and a 1-year warranty. The specification came in several languages. Go ahead, pause it if you want to read them. I bought this brand new from the HP official store in online marketplace. Still got its seal, so let's open this up. You can see this thick foam securing the keyboard. It will protect the keyboard on shipping process. Underneath we got this manual. It's in several languages as well, no worries. It shows you all the keyboard shortcut functions. Next is the product notice, some safety instructions regarding the product. Boring. You also got this keycap puller in case you want to change the keycap. By the way, this keyboard is a non-hot swappable. Next is the product support and the product warranty card. Now here's the keyboard covered in this protective foam with HP logo on it. This is how the keyboard looks. The font choice are pretty much the same as GK100 and GK400. The top bezels is made of aluminum, and here's the HP logo engraved in silver metallic material. It's kind of shiny but does not light up. 728 grams in weight. It felt pretty sturdy. On the bottom housing material is made of plastic. It has got 4 rubber paddings and also 2 flaps on the top to incline your keyboard positions. The surface got some texture on it. And this is how it looks on the side. There goes the keycap profile curve right there. The only aluminum materials is this top housing. It's just a thin layer of aluminum, simply just for the look. The back is made of plastic, felt kinda hollow. Here's the USB cable connection, nothing fancy about it. It's non-detachable, non-braided, made of rubber, and the length is 1.8 meters. There's HP logo on it, non-gold plated as well. Since the keyboard layout is TKL, there is no lighting indicator for caps lock, Windows lock, and scroll lock. The indicators are shown within the corresponding keys instead, like the caps lock right here and the scroll lock. Now I'm going to run through the shortcut. Function F1 for my computer, F2 for search, F3 for calculator, F4 to open media player, F5 for previous track, F6 next track, F7 to play and pause, F8 to stop, F9 to mute, F10 and F11 for volume, F12 to lock the entire keyboard. To lock the Windows key, simply press and hold the Windows and L key. It's kinda annoying that there is no indicator whatsoever to indicate whether the key is locked or unlocked. Press and hold functions and up or down arrow key to adjust the lighting intensity. There are 4 lighting modes in each of these following keys. You can scroll them by pressing it while holding the function key. I'll demonstrate the lighting effect briefly. Function and arrow left or right to adjust the lighting speed. There's also gaming mode profile by accessing through functions number 1 to 8. Number 9 and 0 is reserved for user customizable slot. Function print screen to activate 6 anti-ghosting keys. Function scroll lock to activate n anti-ghosting keys. Function N is to record your own custom backlight. Simply press function escape to end your recording. Here's the recap of the function keys. Go ahead, pause it if you need it. Now, the sound test. So that's that for the unboxing and quick look on the keyboard. I have done HP GK100 and GK400 in the past. Go ahead, check them out if you're interested. Overall, the HP keyboard felt the same. The function, shortcut, and even the switch are pretty much the same. The looks just slightly different from one another. HP keyboard use KRGD and Leo box switches. I believe those are actually Cherry MX clones. As for GK200, they actually use KRGD switch. The keycaps are nothing special. They're pretty much the same as GK100 and GK400, except for GK100 got a glossy look on it. The keyboard is comfortable enough to use without any wrist rest. The angle is just about right. It doesn't cause any fatigue over time. As for the font, I'll let you be the judge for it because it's highly subjective. Now, the lack of sub-legends on the keycaps kind of bothers me because I had to memorize every function combination keys, but some would prefer it that way to give a clean look on the overall look on the keyboard itself. The lack of standalone caps lock, scroll lock, and Windows lock indicator also one of the aspects of this keyboard that I think one would need to think about before buying it. Well, of course, it came at the cost of compact design by removing the entire numeric keys on the right side where the indicator usually placed. This keyboard is marketed as a mechanical gaming keyboard, and I think it's pretty decent product in terms of budget gaming keyboard. If only the switches are hot swappable, then it will be perfect, but sadly it's not. So that's that for HP GK200 keyboard. Thanks for watching. Bye.